In today's fast-growing construction industry, quality, speed, and reliability are not just expectations. They are necessities. Introducing HARDIC Engineering, a trusted name in innovation and performance, proudly presenting the Mixwell brand automatic fly ash brick making machines. Engineered for excellence and designed for efficiency, our machines are built to deliver consistent quality with every brick. Whether you are a startup manufacturer or an established production unit, HARDIC Engineering offers a wide range of fly ash brick making machines tailored to meet your exact production needs. At HARDIC Engineering, we don't just manufacture machines. We build solutions. Our automatic fly ash brick making machines are powered with advanced technology, ensuring high production capacity, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. With precision engineering and robust construction, every machine is designed to perform under demanding conditions while maintaining superior output quality. Mixwell brand, where performance meets durability. From raw material mixing to final brick output, our systems are fully automated, reducing labor costs while maximizing productivity. The result? Strong, uniform, eco-friendly bricks that meet modern construction standards. We understand that every business is unique. That's why our machines come in multiple models and configurations, offering flexibility, scalability, and ease of operation. Whether you need semi-automatic or fully automatic solutions, HARDIC Engineering has the right machine for you. Smart investment, strong foundation, reliable output. Our commitment goes beyond manufacturing. We provide complete support, from installation and training to after-sales service, ensuring your business runs smoothly every day. With years of industry experience and a dedication to innovation, HARDIC Engineering has earned the trust of clients across the market. Build better, build faster, build smarter with Mixwell. If you are looking to enhance your production efficiency and step into the future of brick manufacturing, your search ends here. Choose HARDIC Engineering. Choose performance. Choose reliability. HARDIC Engineering, powering your production, building your success.